This traffic light detects motorcyclists who are not wearing helmets. And it won't turn green until they put on a helmet. Honda Awareness Traffic Light has a screen with a camera and a speaker. It identifies helmetless motorcyclists and communicates with them, ensuring that every road user can cross the intersection safely. The traffic light is an advertising campaign launched by Honda and Allison. The aim of the campaign was to promote the practice of safe riding and to raise awareness of the importance of wearing a helmet.